What's good? What's good? Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Mana, Decentraland. Currently, we're sitting at $3.31. We're up 5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.99 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.49 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So a little bit of news. Meta marriage. Decentraland hosts first metaverse wedding. Wow. Things are getting crazy. So the Arizona's couple big day didn't go quite to plan, showing that the metaverse still has a while to go before it can reliably host a wedding with all the bells and whistles of the real world. Damn. That's a little bit fucked up. Anyways, guys, I thought that was a bit funny. So let's hop into what's important here, which is the analysis for Mana. So with our dollar cost average strategy, equal amounts at each buy zone, we had 4 entries on the way down: 355, 315, 274, 241. Unfortunately, we didn't hit our 5th buy zone. Would have been nice, but our break even was 296. So currently, that was a juicy trade all the way up to the top here, about 16%. Let me just quickly pop my indicators onto my chart here. I'm going to take off. Okay, hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. So you can see we are trending towards overbought on the RSI as well as the money flow. Of course, this is Metaverse, guys, and they tend to pump really, really hard. But if you put, let's say you put 500 at each buy zone, you had $2,000 in your trade. I closed 50% of my position. If you want to hodl to the moon, I totally respect that. My hodlers, they always come back into the comment section when we start to pump. Hold. Respect to you guys. I do have positions that I just hodl, but I also trade, guys. So that's a juicy 50% profit. 15% of $2,000 is like $280. Something like that. So what happens with me is I take 50%, and now my first buy zone is here at 299. So if we come back down, I lock in the rest of my profits and I re-enter my trade at 299, and I start dollar cost averaging once again: 299, 274, 241, 157. You can see on the right side where it says buy zone. So those are my entries. Beautiful cup and handle pattern for Mana, which is a bullish reversal pattern. You can see here we made our cup and our handle and we broke out. So your technical target is all the way up here at $4.56. We're looking really, really strong for Mana. If we pop over to the daily, we're back above the daily EMAs, guys. Right when we started to get back above them, I added more money to my positions because I know what happens next, guys. You have the daily cross of the EMAs, which is a huge pump signal. Look right here, guys. We had the daily cross of the EMAs, massive pump. Now it's not promised, guys. Look here, we had the daily cross, and then we broke below the daily EMAs, but then we consolidated and we pumped back up. But it's looking really strong in my opinion. RSI in the floor, money flow in the floor, MACD in the floor. You have reversal wicks, guys. The bears are trying to push down the price. The bulls shoot it right back up. You can see that long wick right there. And we've now had the bullish cross on the MACD on the daily, which is an early indicator of a pump, guys. So you can see here we came down to the 1.272. We held it as support and we absolutely exploded. So I'm going to take out this Fibonacci here. So what we can do is take our fib from our swing high down to our swing low. So key level of resistance to break is coming in at the golden ratio. Right now, we actually broke above a major level of resistance, which was the 0.5, coming in at about $3.20. Now, if we can get back above the golden ratio, gives you a higher likelihood of coming all the way back up to where you started. Let me pull this down a little bit, which is the previous all-time high coming in at 589. And then you target the 1.618 extension for Mana, which would be the target of your next impulsive wave coming in at 1206. I'll also drop in the 1.272. In many cases, what will happen is you'll do a little something like this. You'll come up, the EMAs will follow the candles, you'll find support, you'll see continuation, you'll hit resistance, support, you'll come up, you'll hit resistance, support, and then you'll reach your technical target at $12.06. Now, of course, it's looking really strong, guys, but I'll always go over the bearish scenario, which is that we come up, we hit resistance on the golden ratio, and we see some sort of dead cat bounce. and then we dropped lower. However, Bitcoin is looking really strong, guys. We just broke above 42K, major level of resistance. We're now holding as support. We broke out of this bull flag pattern. So if we can come up to our technical target and get back above 44K, then we are creating an uptrend on the daily for BTC. I was also noticing a possible inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So if you see us create a right shoulder here, let me grab my brush. If we see some consolidation, we create a right shoulder, and then we break out, we get back above the 55 EMA, huge sign of strength. We get above 44K. We create a daily uptrend, and your technical target is 56K for BTC. So things are looking really, really good, guys. If we get above 44K, we get above the 55 EMA, we're going to see a full reversal in the trend and a huge pump to the upside. The bearish scenario is we hit resistance here and we roll over. But honestly, I don't think it's likely, guys. The fact that we got above 42K is a really bullish signal, in my opinion. Unless this is a major bullish fake out, this breakout is extremely similar to the one we went over in September. We broke out, we consolidated, and then we saw a huge pump to the upside. So we've broken out, we're consolidating, and now we're starting to break out of this bull flag pattern. So we'll finish off the video here with mana. Let me just erase my squigglies here. So what we want to see is we get above 369. We hold it as support. We see the bullish cross of the daily EMAs, and we see a massive pump to the upside up to the 1.272 and the 1.618, which is your next impulsive wave target, coming in at $12.60 for our friend Mana. Do watch the indicators, guys. Look at this, extremely overbought. The last time we were this overbought, we did see some pullback followed by some consolidation. So we're quite overbought on the money flow. We're quite overextended, and we pumped all the way up to the top section. So do keep an eye on that as well, guys. Hopefully what we see is a little bit of consolidation, or we back test the EMAs as support and we see continuation. I will drop in a level of support for you guys. If we lose the 0.5 here, we do have support coming in at 270 for our friend Mata. If we come back down to 299, I'll lock in the rest of my trade and I'll start to dollar cost average once again. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time as a spot trader. And if you're low leverage trading, guys, don't use more than 2 to 3x in my opinion, and you have to double your margin, 500, 500, 1,000, 2,000. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns as well as the live DCA trades that are on the channel, and daily buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average based off support, resistance, Fibonacci. We have Vet, Sand, Matic, Mana, Gala, Solana, VeChain, ADA, Phantom. Price of a coffee, guys, $350 USD. You really can't beat it. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.